Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to make Chrome Remote Desktop. Let's get into it. First, open your connection. The first step is to start the link between the device you are using and the computer you want to see. Open the Chrome Remote Desktop and click on the name of your computer to start the session. Put in your secret code if needed, and wait for your desktop to appear in the browser window. You must be fully connected to your main machine before you can change how the picture looks on your screen. Next, choose the full screen option. Now you can tell the program to take up the whole monitor. This will hide the browser tabs and the taskbar at the bottom. Look for the icon that look like a frame and tap it. Clicking this makes the window stretch to every corner of your display. It ensures your view is as big as possible without any edges. Next, match the screen sizes. The final step is to make sure the remote computer's picture matches the shape of the screen you are using right now. In the same side menu, look for the option that says Resize to fit. Click the box to turn this on so the picture looks perfect on your monitor. If the shapes don't match, you might see black bars on the sides. This fix ensures your computer time looks great and fills the whole space. And that's it. I hope this helped you out and I see you in the next one.